family of a woman who died while in the care of a hospital in Waukegan is still waiting for security video that might explain how she ended up on a rooftop back in January.
WGN's Dana Rebik is here with details. Dana.
Well, according to attorneys, Vista Medical Center East was supposed to release that surveillance video to their team on March 5th. They hope that would provide some answers as to how Chelsea Adolphus got onto that rooftop of the hospital.
The question is, why isn't Chelsea here today to blow out her own candle?
Paul Adolphus Jr., along with his parents and the family's legal team, celebrating what would have been his sister Chelsea's 29th birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Chelsea.
Adolphus died 2 months ago of hypothermia, found lying face down on the second floor roof of Vista Medical Center East in Waukegan.
Is there any world we live in or any community we live in where that person should be able to end up on a roof freezing in their underwear and a gown and nobody know where they're at?
Adolphus had been admitted to the hospital for medical rehabilitative care the day before. Attorneys say records show she left her room around 1:30 a.m. on January 23rd. A family member of another patient saw her body out a hospital window around 8:30 a.m. and notified staff. Adolphus died later that day.
How long would Chelsea have stayed on that roof had this patient's family not seen her out on top of the roof?
We're confident that the way the staff handled this situation was 100% appropriate.
It is our belief that there were doors that she exited that did not have alarms on them. I have a lot of concerns that measures weren't being put in place to keep patients safe.
The Adolphus family has filed a lawsuit against Vista Health System, the company that owns the hospital, for negligence and medical malpractice. Attorneys tell us the hospital thus far has failed to turn over surveillance footage as part of the discovery process and have filed a motion with the court for access to it.
Wouldn't you want to know if there was video that existed of how she was able to leave the room undetected and not anybody at the hospital staff tried to get her back in her bed? And so
we did reach back out to Vista for comment today, and a spokesperson says Vista Health System is deeply saddened by the loss of Chelsea Adolphus and extend our heartfelt condolences to her family, loved ones, and all who are grieving. We do not provide comments or any materials regarding ongoing litigation. Vista Health System is fully cooperating with all legal and regulatory agencies and will continue to do so as required. Our commitment to compassion, integrity, patient privacy, and the highest standard of care remains strong and clear. Attorneys also are asking any patients who may have been at that hospital January 22nd and 23rd and seen Chelsea Adolphus to contact them. Micah, back to you.
Dana.